How to add Solana network to Metamask. The first thing you want to do is pull up your preferred web browser and make sure that you are logged into your current wallet from Metamask. So once you have logged into your Metamask, leave it as it is temporarily and go to a new tab. Just simply type in rpc.info. Now all you have to do is search for Solana. If you cannot find it, just simply press Ctrl plus F and type Solana. Here it is. Just click on it. Now you have to copy the RPC URL, copy it, Control C, and go back to your MetaMask wallet, and then click on your current wallet. Mine is at Ethereum. This is my main network. Just press on that, and then click Add Network. From here, you just have to go to Advanced, and then go to Networks, and then here change the name to Solana, and then paste the current URL that you just copied from RPC info. So that's basically how you add Solana network to MetaMask.